Hello, grade 5. So for today for reading, we are going to start reading The Breadwinner. So hopefully you guys have all brought it home. If not, I did include pictures of today's chapters just in case, but I will not be doing that for every day for every chapter. It's just too much. So please remember to always take this home. You could actually just leave it at home because anytime we're doing Breadwinner, you're going to be doing it at home anyways. We're not going to be doing it in the class. So just make sure you always have that. So for today's assignments, there's a couple things I need you to do. Okay. The first one is before we actually start reading, I want you just to make a prediction. And then hopefully we'll come back to this at the end of the book and just see how our predictions are. So using this word splash over here, look at the words like prison, refugee, Afghanistan, Taliban, Pervana, window women, disguise, marketplace. Thinking of these words that you see, can you write a 2 to 3 sentence prediction about what you think is going to happen in this book? Okay. Once you're done with the prediction, then you can move on to the rest of the assignment. The rest of the assignment for today will be, and here are your steps, read chapter 1. The chapters are actually very short. They're only about 10 pages per chapter. So it should be very easy for you guys to read. So you're going to read chapter 1. Then there'll be some questions for you to do at the end as your assignment. So like I said, I have added pictures of the pages in case you don't have your book yet. So you can read them. Then when you're done, you will see 3 pages for your assignment. This first one, they're more literal questions to make sure that you're understanding what's taking place in the book. So you will read the question and then answer it over here. So there's 3 of those ones. And then there's these 4 questions. These ones are a little bit harder. I do want you to summarize how does war come to Afghanistan? And then these next 3 questions are what we call inferential questions. So you kind of have to think about using context clues from the chapter to think about, okay, what would this mean? For example, why is Pervana one of the lucky ones? What does she mean by that? So in one part of the pages, she says that she feels like she's one of the lucky ones. Why do you think she feels lucky? And then the last one is, I want us to just question the text so far. And I know it's only the first chapter, but I want you to think about what issues do you see arising in this text and why? So there's a ton of different issues that you might see. For example, you might see war as an issue or a problem. You might see some issues in family. We saw some sibling conflict. Or you might want to put something down about poverty and economics. So I want you to try to think of, there's 4 spots there. If you can think of 3 to 4 issues that you think might arise in the text, and then make sure you tell me why you think this is going to be a problem or an issue in the book. And that's it today for reading. Don't forget to turn in your assignment on Google Classroom. Bye for now.